Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Hagerly. In today's video, we're moving past beyond just talking about what we're doing and looking at how we're doing them, when we're doing them, in what manner we're doing them. You already know it, adverbs. So let's get to it. Now,
አሁን
later,
በኋላ
immediately,
ወዲያው
yet or still,
ገና
again,
እንደገና
quickly or soon,
ቶሎ
slowly,
ቀስ ብሎ
well,
ጥሩ
badly,
መጥፎ
together,
አብሮ
always,
ሁልጊዜ
sometimes,
አንዳንድ ጊዜ
often or frequently,
በየጊዜው
never or not at all,
በጭራሽ
once,
አንድ ጊዜ
very or a lot,
በጣም
little,
ትንሽ
much or many,
ብዙ
only,
ብቻ
never used with negative verbs,
ከቶ
ሰላም ኤልዳና፣ ዛሬ ስራ ጥሩ ነው?
አዎ በጣም ጥሩ ነው። አሁን ግን ትንሽ ደክሞኛል። ምሳም መብላት ፈልጋለሁ።
እሺ፣ አሁን ምሳ አብረን እንብላ?
አዎ አሁን እንብላ።
In Amharic, adverbs almost always come before the verbs that they are describing. So for instance, in English, if you want to say, he works hard, the Amharic structure will become, he hard works. This is a helpful rule to keep in mind for when you want to build sentences. Let's test your knowledge of these adverbs. How do you say always?
ሁልጊዜ
How do you say quickly?
ቶሎ
And what does ቀስ ብሎ mean?
slowly
How do you say together?
አብሮ።
And lastly, how do you say now?
አሁን።
Fantastic job, you guys. You've just added a whole new layer of detail to your Amharic by learning some important adverbs. Try to use these adverbs in your practice today. And if you've had any questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Don't forget that every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.